Did you enjoy our tour in China and Italy of my previous vlogs in Boulevard World? This time we will visit Morocco and Greece. Before we will start, I want to thank you all for your love and support. Start.
New Year na sa Pinas. Kaya nga. Hala.
Time to shout out my 1,713 YouTube subscribers and soon-to-be subscribers. Also, to my 118 followers on FB page. We are now really growing in numbers. Thank you so much! If you are new here, please do like, subscribe, leave a comment, and don't skip the ads. Thank you! Part 5 will be coming